Okay, let me show you how we can install an SCCM console. So this is my SCCM server, and now let me show you we can install SCCM console on any Windows 10 device or any Windows server. And let me access my server where I want to install my console. So this is my server. It's a 2022 server device, and I'll show you that I don't have any SCCM install. So the first thing I'll open is run. So I'm accessing my CM1 folder, which is my site server folder, and I'm going to access the files and folder where my SCCM is installed. You can access your SCCM server C drive or D drive where you have SCCM installed, and you need to look for a folder which is tools. Just a second. Okay, and the tools folder, we should have a console setup folder. You need to copy it to the device where you want to install it. You can either use like pen drive, or I'm using a network look path to copy it. So let me copy it on my device, C drive. Okay, once it is copied, let me simply show you visit CPL. Okay, nothing is installed over here, and you need to select admin console, double click on it. Next, you need to mention the site server details here. You can get it on the top of your SCCM console, like what is your exact FQDN of your SCCM site. So for me it is cm1.corp.contessa.corp. Hit select. Next, I'll keep in the C drive. Next. Yes, it will take few minutes. Let's wait for the complete installation. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, I have selected start the configuration manager console after the installation is completed. So now we'll try to open it, and we can see yeah, my console is getting open. Yeah, and if I refresh the fs.cpl, I can see SSM console is installed with today's date and the version details. And this is how we can install SCCM console on devices. Thank you so much.